Good morning and welcome back to Morning Markets from True Potential, Paul Durrans, Investment Director. If we just start by looking at global equities on Friday, stocks rebounded, and that was led by US stocks, with growth stocks in particular, so the likes of Tesla, Amazon and Google. They all surged and rebounded strongly after perhaps a reflection that sentiment had got too negative and the recent weakness that we've seen in stock markets had gone too far. We also saw positive returns from the FTSE 100. That was led by energy stocks, helped by the oil price, but they were up 2.6% on Friday. And looking over in Asia this morning, we also saw some positive returns coming from Japanese stocks, Australia, and some mixed returns coming from out of China. In terms of the week ahead, there's a number of areas that we'll be focusing on. UK inflation is out this week. Really important because what's expected is inflation to rise from 7% per annum to 9%. So that's a 2% increase, and that's really going to be driven by the increase in household energy prices, up 54%. That came through at the start of the month, so that'll be baked in. Really important though for the Bank of England. They have the job of controlling inflation. They're expecting inflation to get to 10% by the end of this year. So for them, they'll be keeping an eye on whether this comes in at higher than expected or even below. And that will infer what they do on future interest rate hikes. We'll also get labour market data from the UK on Tuesday. Unemployment expected to come out at 3.8%. If that comes in less, then it'll really underpin that wage pressures should be strong, and that'll feed into the inflation narrative. In the US, a couple of areas we'll be focusing on. Retail sales, that should be coming in relatively okay. The consumer is still expected to be in good health given the cash savings buffer that they've been building up, and also just some of the survey data that we've been looking at continues to show that the US consumer should be in a good place, and a large contributor to retail sales should be coming from autos. Elsewhere, we'll have industrial production numbers. Again, from what we're seeing in the surveys data on the manufacturing side, industrial production numbers should be holding up relatively well. Looking on the month-on-month change is really important. 0.4% expected. The month before was 0.9%, so coming down slightly, but still expected to be strong given the backlog of orders that the data is currently showing. Elsewhere, we'll also get US housing data, and that will be important because the US housing market has been exceptionally strong. House prices have gone up over 20% last year, and that what we're seeing now is that mortgage rates in the US have been climbing quite dramatically, and mortgage applications have been coming off. That may turn out in the data this week and see a little bit of softness in housing data, but that's what we'll be watching out for today. We'll keep you updated throughout the week, so please stay tuned, and that's everything.
Subscribing to the True Potential YouTube channel is quick and easy. Simply go to the channel on your desktop or through the YouTube app on your phone and click the subscribe button. You can then press the notification bell symbol if you wish to be notified as and when new videos are released. Doing this is a great way to keep yourself updated with market developments and personal finance insights. Thank you to everyone who has subscribed, and we look forward to continuing to help you do more with your money.